Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H. In this video, we're going to take this random pile of parts. We're going to make us a feed truck. Let's get started. Now we're ready for paint and decals. Our chute works. Our decorations are on. Now we're ready to put augers in. There we go. We're done with the box. Time to move on to the frame. First thing we'll do is clean, then we're going to paint this flat black. Next, I'm going to add these Canada coated 2-hole buds from my store. Now we're ready to mount the cab to the frame. This is a Diecast Promotions 9100 International. I am uncertain where I even come up with this, but I have it, and I thought it'd be perfect for this job. I cut out this peg here that holds us to the original frame, which is missing, to mount it on this 3D printed frame. On a 3D printed frame, I did cut out a piece of resin right here. That way, all of this would set flush, like you see. That is all there is to this job. Super simple and really fun to do. I am going to stack up a little bit of styrene plastic in here, so I have a good base to glue to right there. Now we're ready to mount the bed. Okay, our truck is finished. Let's go put it on the layout.